Hello everyone, this is Melissa from stampwithmelissa.com here. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in the United States, and today I want to share with you how to make this super fun card using the Stitchery stamp set, which you can see here, and the Biggest Wish stamp set, which is what gives us our cute little happy birthday there. And because it's Tuesday, it means that it is my weekly color challenge day, and so every week usually on Tuesdays, I do a color challenge, create and color challenge for my Facebook group, and you are welcome to join it. It's a free community, and you are just welcome to post your creations. We really have a lot of fun seeing what other people make, but this week we've got Melon Mambo, Flirty Flamingo, Mango Melody, Fresh Freesia, and Just Jade. So I'm gonna bring in my first sample here again, and this one uses Soft Succulent, Evening Evergreen, and Fresh Freesia, so only one of the colors shows up in the color challenge, so today I'm going to make a very similar card with you using 3 of these colors. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've already got all my supplies cut out here. We've got Melon Mambo for the card base, Fresh Freesia for a layer, and then Basic White here. And as per usual, the measurements for this card will be on my blog post, and you can find the link to that in the description box down below. So I'm gonna start with this piece of Basic White, and I'm going to bring in a very messy scrap piece of paper here, so I apologize that it's a little bit hard to see. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my Basic White piece, and I believe I have it all set here. I'm just gonna double check that. Yep, looks good. All right, so I've got it lined up here, and what I'm gonna do, I already went ahead and laid down 4 of the stamps from Stitchery. So I'll bring that back in so you can see. So I've already laid down 4 of them here, and how I did that was I just kind of laid them across on my card base, and then I flipped it and picked them up. So I'm gonna use this underneath. A tip for the Stamparatus is you probably want to use a stamp case or a stamp pad underneath just to keep this more level when you're inking. So for the color, I'm going to use Mango Melody. So we'll go ahead and open that up and ink this up. And then we will press it down, and I'm using my fist here to make sure that all of the color landed. Beautiful. Oh, I like that. It looks like I might need to re-ink my Mango Melody, but I actually kind of like how that turned out. So now what I'm going to show you is called hinge step stamping. So I'm going to pull this plate out, and you can see it was here. So I'm going to move it down 1, 2 places here and connect it in there. And when I do that, it just moves all of those down. So I didn't have to move the cardstock, just the stamps themselves. So again, I'm going to go ahead and ink it up. We'll try to give it a little bit more of a uniform inking there, see if that helps. And then we will stamp that down. Beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and put my Stamparatus away. And a tip here for cleaning your Stamparatus, I like to use my my Simply Chamois to wipe down my stamps when I clean them. Alright, next up here, I'm bringing in my Mango Melody ink again and the Melon Mambo, and I've got the Happy in the block lettering and the Birthday in the cursive lettering here, and I've also got this piece of Basic White, and this was cut out using the rectangle stitched dies, so I used this second one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my lightest color first, which is the Mango Melody, and I'm going to ink up the Happy. Then I'll go ahead and, again, make sure it gets a good inking there, and I'm going to stamp that right in the middle here, like so. And then I'll open up my Melon Mambo and stamp the Birthday in the Melon Mambo, and I'm going to stamp that right on top of that Happy there, like so. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, now I'm bringing in my other pieces here, and we're going to go ahead and start assembling. Now this is a pretty easy assembly process here. So I've got my seal adhesive, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the Basic White piece, and then layer that on top of Fresh Freesia, and then do that on top of the Melon Mambo. So here we go. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and get this card base folded here, and I've got my bone folder in here to give it a nice crease. That'll help it to stay flat. And of course, for this cute little happy birthday here, I'm going to use dimensionals because no card is complete without some dimensionals. Don't you agree? I love these things. I think that they just help your card to stand out without barely doing anything. So make sure I have that the right way there. And I think this one I'm going to put down in this corner here. Like so. That's super cute. And if you've been around for a while, you know that the matte black dots are my absolute favorite embellishment by far. So I am going to go ahead and put some of these on here. Black is fair game for the color challenge because it's a neutral. So all neutrals are fair game. For example, I didn't have white listed, but you can use it anyway. Alright, so there's our finished card. I'm going to bring in the original here too. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this quick and easy card using the beautiful Stitchery stamp set with your Stamparatus and the Biggest Wish stamp set. Both of these stamp sets are in the brand new annual catalog, and if you don't have a copy of that catalog, you can go ahead and send me an email. My email's down in the box below, and I'll also pop it up here on the screen for you. And if you live in the US, I'll send you a catalog for free. I can't send outside of the US, but I can help you maybe get in touch with a demonstrator in a different country if you need that. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!